Hello guys, welcome back. In the previous video we listed down various features of the Elastisearch, and in this video we will learn how to install Elastisearch on Ubuntu. So let's start. First of all, Elastisearch has a prerequisite that the Oracle JDK needs to be installed on the server. So first of all, let's do that. Now let's install the Oracle. Now that we have Oracle installed, we also need to set the Java home. Now that our Java home is also set, we can go to the Elastic website and download Elastisearch. So this is where you will get the relevant files, and in our case we have Ubuntu, so I am copying the Debian file over here, copying the link actually, which I will use to wget. This needs to be just installed using the dpkg. Now let's start the Elastisearch service. Being Java, it sometimes takes a while to get up actually. Oh, I guess there is some issue. Yeah, maybe the RAM is causing the issue. So let me create a swap of 3 GB. Now So the Elastisearch service is running. Let's verify it by curling it through the CLI tool. Yeah, so if you don't provide any name, then the default name is Elastisearch. Here the version is 6.2.1. In case you want to change the cluster name and various other configurations, this is the file, and this is the parameter where you need to make the changes. So that's it for now in this video. I'll be sharing a video later regarding the installation of the Elastisearch cluster. So thanks for watching.